Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a super easy vegan protein mask that you can do to your hair in the winter. This is really going to help you to strengthen your hair as well as moisturize it. It's really easy to make. There's only 3 ingredients and all 3 of them are protein rich, but they also help to boost hydration. All you need to make this mask is about a tablespoon of coconut oil, a full ripe avocado, and about 1/3 of a cup of almond milk. Feel free to adjust the quantities of each ingredient depending on your hair thickness and hair length, but I'm just putting everything in a blender. It's way easier to blend this mask than to mash it up with a fork because avocado is really hard to wash out if you don't blend it properly. So I'm just putting everything into a blender, and when you blend it up, you want this to be like a really creamy consistency, almost like your regular conditioner. I'm focusing this mask mainly on the lengths and ends of my hair because that's where I struggle the most with dryness and breakage. Feel free to apply this all over your hair and scalp if you'd like, but I already have a scalp treatment on in this clip from the Innate Life. While I finish applying this mask, I'm going to talk you guys through the benefits of each ingredient. Avocados are one of my all-time favorite ingredients to add into a mask because they're so rich in proteins and amino acids. They're also very high in vitamin E, which helps to prevent damage from free radicals. They're also very hydrating and they're nourishing to the hair and scalp, which make for a great natural conditioner. You guys already know that I love coconut oil as well because it's great for preventing breakage and split ends. It stimulates growth and it helps the hair retain protein, so it's really strengthening, but it also helps your hair retain moisture, so it's like a great 2-in-1, especially if you use it as a mask on its own. If your hair is protein sensitive, I'd recommend switching this one out for something like olive oil that's a little bit more hydrating. Finally, almond milk is really great for the hair because it's so rich in protein and iron. It's also got some conditioning fatty acids in it, so it's going to leave your hair feeling really silky and smooth. And thanks to its protein content, it's going to help to strengthen your hair as well as preventing hair loss. I left this in my hair for about an hour and these are the results. I'm obsessed with how shiny and soft and silky this mask made my hair. It left it feeling so soft as well as really easy to detangle and manage. I think this mask is going to be one of my staples for the winter time because I suffer a lot of breakage in the winter just from dryness and friction from rubbing on my jacket and stuff. Because it's a protein mask, I wouldn't recommend using it more than once a week or once every other week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!